Dear student, let us solve on problem on missing frequency. When incomplete distribution and certain average values are given, how to find the missing frequency. Here an incomplete distribution is given below. If median is 46, find the missing frequency. So median value they have given, and class interval is been given here, and we can find here 50 to 60 class doesn't have frequency. Now our task is to find missing frequency with help of given median here. How to find? So first here write the formula of median. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. So C is width of the median class, F is frequency of the median class, CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding to median class, and N by 2, N total of frequency column, L is the lower limit of median class. So to find missing frequency here, we have to find first cumulative frequency column, as we need all these things here. So first cumulative frequency column. So 12, as it is 12, plus 30, 42, plus 34, 76, plus 65, 141. Here nothing is there, put A there. So 141 plus A. Next 141 plus 25, 166 plus A. Then 15 plus 166, 181 plus A. So we don't know N value here, but how to find median class here? So when median is given here, so in which class median comes? Just find that itself is a median class. So 46 comes in between 40 to 50 here. So in between 40 and 50. So median class is 40 to 50. So median class is equal to 40 to 50. So write the remaining all the values which appears in the formula here. So L is equal to 40. Frequency. So we have a frequency here 65, and CF cumulative frequency preceding class cumulative frequency, that is 76, and C width of the median class. Median class we have to find particularly, that is 10 here, and N by 2. N by 2, N we don't know, but we have a value here, that is 181 plus A. So N is 181 plus A. Just put that in the formula and find. So median, we know that median value is 46. So 46 is equal to 40 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 181 plus A minus CF. CF is 76 divided by F, frequency is 65, into C is 10. And solve simultaneously here. What can we do? Just we have to reduce the problem here. So first take this 40 opposite side. So 40 is having a positive sign here. When we take it other side, it becomes negative. So 46 minus 40 is equal to, so here 181 plus A divided by 2 must come here. 181 plus A divided by 2 minus 76. So here we cannot do anything with this, just reduce it, so that we should at least deduct and get a single value from these two here. So it becomes 181 by 2 becomes 90.5 plus A by 2 minus 76 whole divided by 65 into 10. Now what we do, we'll send one by one other side. Just I will send this 65 other side. So here 65 is divided by 65. So when we send it outside, it becomes into 65. So 46 minus 40 is 6. 6 into 65. And at the same time I will take this 10 also outside. So there is a into sign here, into 10. So when we take it other side, it becomes divided by 10. So divided by 10 is equal to what left here? So just this part, numerator part is left here. So 90.5 minus 76. So 90.5 minus 76, that is 14.5 plus a divided by 2. Now here 6 into 65. 6 into 65 we get 390. 390 divided by 10 we get 39. 39 is equal to 14.5 plus a by 2. So here again further reduce it, either a by 2 or 14.5. Either of this we have to take other side. So here we can't take a by 2 because we need to find a. So that is there in the numerator part. So take 14.5 other side. So it becomes 39 minus 14.5 is equal to a by 2. Now 39 minus 14.5 is 39 minus 14.5, we get 24.5. 24.5 is equal to a by 2. So now take this to other side. So we get a is equal to 24.5 into 2. So a is equal to 49. So we have value here, a is equal to 49. Just cross check. So 49, put in the place of a here. So 181 plus a. So 181 plus a, that is 49. So that is 181 plus 49 is equal to 230. So 230 means n by 2. 230 divided by 2, it becomes 115. So if you put 115 here, 115 minus 76. So 115 minus 76 divided by 65 into 10. If you do, we get 6. So finally answer we get 40 plus 6 is equal to 46. So our calculation is here right. This is how we find missing frequency when average is given, and even in mean. If average mean is given and there is a missing frequency, then also we follow the same procedure by applying the formula. So formula is important here. Don't forget to take the formula and go according to the steps to simplify it. Then we get missing frequency.